Picking it up out of the northwest and driving colder air in here. I wanted to show you current readings across the state, just to show you what's on the way. There's 50s up in Spencer and Fort Dodge, 67 in the metro, and where the cold front hasn't arrived yet, temperatures in the 70s in Iowa City and Ottumwa. We're 67, winds starting to move around to the west-northwest. They're going to get gusty, humidity at 87%. Here's the storms on Super Doppler 8. You can see the movement on these moving out. We're dry and we are going to stay dry here in Des Moines, but still some stronger storms off to the east. This cell around Monroe, and as you head southeast of Prairie City, could be producing some hail. It's non-severe at this time, but it's getting awfully close. So that's one to watch there west of Reasoner for maybe some hail there and winds. So winds move around, colder air pushes in. By 9 o'clock, we'll be down to 59 degrees. So it's a big transition out there. You can see the movement on this. Frequent lightning. There's one lone shower in eastern Polk County, but most of this firing out in front of that cold front. Watching one cell to the north over in Tama County and eastern Marshall County, a severe thunderstorm warning until 6 o'clock. It looks like the hail with this would be just around Highway 63 crossing there right now. And this storm does have a history of producing some inch hail. I think it may get a bit bigger at times as it crosses Highway 63 in southern Tama County. So you can see that line of storms again, all this along the cold front, but look to the west, nothing going on. It's kind of a skinny line of storms out there too. More widespread thunderstorms, Minnesota and Wisconsin, and the better chance for severe storms as you head down in through parts of Kansas and Oklahoma along that front. System moves out. Tomorrow, cloud cover, cool, gusty winds. Can't rule out a sprinkle in the heating of the day. You can see a big difference in temperatures out in front of the front, still warm in Detroit, but a transition into the 50s out there. So here we go, hour by hour. Notice the rain out of the state by around 10 o'clock at night. Clouds around tomorrow, a chance for some sprinkles and showers out there. You're just going to notice it's a fairly raw day. It should clear out a bit as we head into Thursday night. And Friday, a huge improvement. Sunshine and a nice warm-up moving in. Tonight, that low down at 44. Storms off to the east, gusty northwest winds. Sun goes down 7:57. Tomorrow, well below normal temperatures, a high at just 55. Gusty northwest winds and an afternoon shower. You can't rule it out. It'd be very light. 8-day forecast. Look at the improvement. Friday, Saturday, gorgeous. Easter Sunday looks mild. Rain chance Sunday night into Monday. And then we bounce back to the 70s midweek next week. Overall, nice 8-day.